now. I don't know who's looking for me, but they're spinning in a white Durango with tints, and I'm scared as hell. If I see that car again, I'm gonna just let them have it.
Chilling audio of Amelia Penn played in court today, highlighting some of the final words that he said before his death. Penn's accused killer, 17-year-old Cartier Pascal, appeared for his preliminary hearing. Pascal charged with gunning down Penn a year ago near Umatilla Street on the city's southeast side. News 8's Adriana Doria was in court today and has the latest on what happened and what's next.
Brian, a judge ruled today that there is enough evidence to move this case to circuit court for trial. This comes after hours of witness testimony from the prosecution and the defense arguing that the case be dismissed. We heard from a variety of witnesses, both close to Pascal and close to Penn. We were asked not to show their faces. 3 of the witnesses say they were with Pascal the day after the killing and testified he admitted to the shooting. Another witness told the court she saw the entire incident while waiting for her drug dealer. Now, we also heard from the lead detective who testified about evidence presented in court today. He told the court a Snapchat screenshot was found on Pascal's phone and that it showed a message exchange in which Pascal admitted to the crime. He also testified that Penn was shot 8 times and died from gunshot wounds to the torso. Defense attorney Damian Nunzio argued several witnesses lacked credibility. Nunzio also brought up a GRPD docuseries episode on the killing that featured Pascal, saying people wanted their, quote, 15 minutes of fame. The prosecution said this is a cut and dry case, and what happened is clear.
We obviously have a homicide, an individual shot 8 times. This is not a what happened case. It's very clear what happened here. This is a whodunit. We had testimony from Ms. Purvis. She's identified the defendant as the perpetrator of this offense. Based on all that information, we're asking this court to bind over on open murder.
The testimony in this case is just incredulous. We have heroin addicts who can identify the number of feet on between a witness and then coming in months later. And then we find out other witnesses are talking to other witnesses on the phone to get them to come forward. Obviously, there are ill means and for purposes of targeting my client. It's unbelievable. It's not credible. We'd ask the court to dismiss this case.
This case has now been bound over to circuit court, and no dates have been set yet for Pascal's next court appearance. He now remains in Kent County Juvenile Facility. We have much more on this case and witness testimony on our website, woodtv.com. Brian.